And the time has come when we can read news and get paid. I earned a lot of money this way and now I'm gonna show you how. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way, and this free app pays $200 per day, and all you gotta do is do some simple tasks. This is a completely beginner-friendly method, so basically anyone can do this after watching this video. Guys, this is an evergreen method, so it's guaranteed to work through all the upcoming years. But guys, I'm gonna share a few secrets throughout the video which will maximize your profits, so make sure to pay close attention and do not skip any parts. And now guys, I'm gonna jump into the first step, but only after I ask you to hit the like button if you like this method and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. And now let's jump into the first step. Guys, if you're watching this, you have to know that we are running a brand new giveaway on the channel. We're giving away the new iPhone 11 Pro Max or the new MacBook Pro. The choice is yours. All you have to do is watch the full video, hit the like, comment the key hidden in the video, and make sure you subscribe. It is that simple. And for the first step of our method today, we're gonna connect to surveytime.io. And SurveyTime is a website which is going to help us tremendously. It is a very profitable website. If you've got some spare time, you can use it here and make some huge amounts of money. As you can see, they are very simple. You will get instantly rewarded with $1 for every survey you complete. So $1 for one survey, and it only takes you like 60 seconds to complete one of these. They're very simple and very straightforward, so anyone can do this anytime. You just need your spare time, no other skill, no experience, no work, just your 60 seconds and you're gonna get that $1. The more you do, the more money you're gonna get. And the payment methods over here, as you can see, you can get Target gift cards, you can get PayPal money if you like that, you can get it sent to your Coinbase wallet, and you can get Amazon gift cards if you are into that. But of course, we all love some straight cash, so PayPal is an option, of course. And as you can see, they've got some pretty nice reviews on Trustpilot, so let's actually connect to Trustpilot and see if they are lying to us. And this is their profile on Trustpilot, so as you can see, 7.5 thousand reviews, and they've got 4.5 out of 5. So this is an excellent rating for such an app. As you can see down here, some 5 stars. So people are truly satisfied with this app and they are making money with this indeed. And they have not lied to us about their rating on Trustpilot. As you can see, it is the same here as they have shown it in here. So it is a legit website. If you had any doubts, now you don't need to have those. And in order to start this, it's very, very simple. You just enter your email and click on Start Now. Just make sure to enter a valid email address because they're gonna send you a confirmation link and you need to click on that in order to start using your account. But of course, alternatively, you can choose to sign in with Facebook, Google, or Twitter account, and in that case, just click on one of these buttons and that will be a bit faster, of course. So to recap, pretty basic, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Go out there, do those surveys, and earn yourself some money. And for the second step of today's method, I want you guys to connect to Remotetasks.com. And Remotetasks.com is a similar website, but here you've got plenty of opportunities. As you can see, make money doing tasks. Start earning from home today. And if we scroll down a little bit, we can see that this website works in a very simple manner. You can just sign up, then learn about all these tasks, do some tasks in categories you've unlocked, and you can get paid. Of course, PayPal is an option, so don't worry about that. You will get your money sent straight to your PayPal account. And the tasks here include a variety. So these are just a few examples. As you can see, you've got some images and then you have to draw a box around it and you're gonna get paid for that. You've got some 3D pictures as well. You have some transcription. So for those of you who like to type, you can transcribe some text. Then you can do this comparison boxes, do some data collections. So plenty of tasks here. You can choose whatever you like and you're gonna earn some good money. As you can see, they've got vibrant community as well. And here are some of the reviews of people who made money with this website. So we can see that these people are truly satisfied. They make money here, and we can use that to our advantage. We can make money as well and become profitable in our spare time. Of course, if you got any problems, they've got these frequently asked questions, and you can contact their support as well anytime because they're constantly live and they will solve all your problems in no time. And to get started, you simply click on the sign up button and you will be redirected to this page where you can sign up with Facebook or with your Google account. It's that simple. No need for your email address, just connect these accounts and you're ready to go. And for the third step, I want you to go on Google and type in Junkfill. And this is a extension which will help you to fill out those surveys and many tasks. Not a lot of people know about this tool and it is pretty good. You can automate the process of filling up these application forms, surveys, web forms. It will do everything for you on complete autopilot, and that will make your job even easier. So you can just turn on this tool and it will fill out those surveys for you so you don't have to do it. You don't have to even do that simple tasks and you're gonna generate some money for yourself. So remember this one, Junkfill. It's very useful. And for the last step, I want to introduce Buzzbrick. And this is over at buzzbrick.news. And this is a unique website. It's gonna pay you for reading news, sharing your stories, sharing your pictures. You can get rewarded for simply doing the stuff you do normally every day. So just scroll some news, scroll some Instagram pictures, view some videos, and you're gonna generate some money for yourself. Buzzbrick is pretty popular. As you can see, 10 million users are doing this and you can read their reviews. So it's fun to watch and read the articles while earning money on it. I love it. Well, who wouldn't love it? Because it's so easy to earn money with this. Just reading some news and looking at some pictures. So I would do this every day. 10 million users daily highlights. As you can see, these are the pictures that you would watch. You can as well see some nice landscapes in the meantime, and you can earn money. So this is a very popular website. You can earn money on this pretty easily by just reading some simple news and looking at some pictures. And of course, it doesn't matter which operating system you are using. You can do it on your iPhone device or on your Android device because they've got both apps. And this is the app on the App Store. It's got 3.6 rating out of 5. And you can see some screenshots here. This is basically how it will look on your iPhone. So it's pretty user friendly. It's so easy to make money with this. I don't know why wouldn't anyone pass on this. And here it is on Google Play. So as you can see, Android users love this app. It's so popular on this platform that it accumulated like 500,000 ratings. So almost 600,000 ratings on Google Play, and that's perfect. That's so much traffic that it hurts. This amount of traffic is present only on the best apps, and as you can see, 4.3 out of 5. 600,000 users and they've got 4.3 out of 5. That's pretty amazing. This only shows to us that it's a very popular and very profitable site. And why wouldn't it be? You just read news, watch pictures, and you earn money. If there is any simpler method than this, I would like you to show me because I don't think that there is anything simpler than this. This is so easy and basically anyone can do it. Little baby can do it in their bed and earn money for themselves. That's how easy this is. And this is the app on App Gurus. This is a website which rates apps as well. And here it has 4.3 as well, 500,000 reviews, and it's got over 10 million downloads. So if this doesn't show you how legit and how popular this website is, I don't know what will. 10 million downloads, guys. So go out there, use it, and make some money for yourself. We all got some spare time. The only difference is how we use it. And you gotta take your time seriously. Use your spare time and get some money for yourself, because you already scroll Instagram and read news in your spare time. Why not get paid for it as well? That's a no-brainer for me. And with that being said, I'll leave you guys with this info, and I suggest that you go out there, take action, follow these instructions, and I will see you in the next video.